This is why eating clean often doesn't equal getting bigger and stronger. It's not about discipline failing, it's about food selection failing. Muscle growth isn't just calories or protein, it's strategic nutrition, choosing foods that support energy, recovery, and muscle building pathways consistently. Without the right fuel, even perfect effort in the gym can fall short. Understanding this myth is the first step toward real gains. When you stop chasing the vague idea of clean eating and start focusing on what actually fuels growth, your workouts improve. Muscle growth is smart, fuel plus consistent effort, not just discipline or willpower.